In this video, I'll show you grouping. Control multiple lights as one. Managing multiple lights individually is slow and frustrating. With grouping, you can combine multiple switches into a single control. Turn on/off, adjust brightness, or change colors for multiple lights all in one tap. Whether it's setting the perfect mood or simplifying daily use, everything works together instantly. Now, I'll show you how to create a group. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Devices. Tap on Grouping. Then tap on Create Group. Enter a group name. Tap on Assign to Room and select your room. Choose the switch type based on what you want to control, on or off. Turn all selected devices on or off together in one tap. Color lighting. Change the color of all selected lights simultaneously. Dimming. Adjust the brightness of all selected lights at once. So instead of controlling each light individually, everything works together in one action. Select the switches you want to include. Then tap Save. That's it. Your group is created. To use it, tap on the group you created and control all those switches together in one go. One tap, complete control. Multiple lights, one action. Thank you.